get large data sets and you try to do things like automatically create product descriptions and all that kind of stuff. If it's not perfect, you have a lot of problems, right? The people return, complaints, these sorts of things. So it is difficult. I think for SEO purposes, people have been doing better than like on page. I mean, Shopify has different tools they're using and so forth. One of the areas our team is working on from an R&D perspective is on the bidding side of it, and the kind of the product feed and bidding. So we've already created bidding engines on shopping where we can bid on an individual basis for every single product and control it at a granular level. And any of our partners can test that for free and use it. We're kind of the next generation of it is taking it into kind of AI, more sophisticated bidding using the AI on that level to kind of get the price optimization, take it back into get the full return on investment and put it and feed it back in and not give that information to Google. And that's kind of the key, because as everybody knows the antitrust, Google just turns up the price when they get it. And so some of our more sophisticated partners that do large scale performance stuff, they will never pass any of their performance data to Google because they don't trust the platforms to do it. So they'll want to keep it like all our engines. It's kind of like in the stock exchanges. The high-speed traders don't tell the stock exchanges what price they want to pay. They don't tell them their algorithms. So all our algorithms, all our prices are all kind of, there's a layer, and you keep it private between the company's data or the agency and the software, and then you just send in the buy signals. I want to pay this much for that click, that click, that click, and you keep it all kind of separate. So that's where we see a lot of the opportunities in AI and transactional, and kind of giving the power back to, like, if you know where to move your money around and you move it around without telling the platforms how you're doing it, then they just have to perform better because they don't have all the data, right? And if that split up happens and Google can't see everything anymore, they just got to provide a service, then the companies and the agencies should be able to run more efficient advertising.
I totally agree with that. Yeah, I mean, we've seen that on the Google accounts, that the price just keeps rising on any campaign that's doing well.
Yeah.
It just happens almost 100%.
Yeah.
So I mean, obviously they're up to something. So yeah, there's all these different hacks people are trying, but really it's just don't share what's working with Google.